Hey, it's your boy Henry coming back with another YouTube video. It's been a while since I last updated you in regards to my portfolio. The reason being, I haven't been doing so well. As you know, the market has been down, and I felt like there was no point in updating you. Now that the market has settled and that it's doing a bit better, I'm now going to share you what I have been up to in terms of the changes that have occurred in my portfolio. So I just want to go into my Yahoo portfolio finance section to show you how much I have in total. So I have an overall portfolio of about $50,000. My total gain is approximately $735 Canadian, which is about 1.5%. So that's that. But let's go into my investing.com app, which is where I have all my stocks organized. Okay, so my long term growth stock, I still have about 10 stocks in my long term growth stock. As you can see, there have been changes on the up and negative. Overall, in my long term growth stock, I'm still down about 600 Canadian dollar, which represents 2.53% of my long term growth stock section. I have about $23,000 invested in long term growth stocks. I have Stitch Fix, I have Blizzard, I have Visa, Vanguard, Facebook, Apple, Arista Network, Massimo, Appian, Motley Fool, and BlackBerry. My biggest investment is in Facebook. I have a total of 51 share. I am currently up of about $200 or 1.73%. I have about $11,621 invested in Facebook. My second biggest position is Visa. I have about 1,500. Not much to describe there. Activision Blizzard. I recently bought shares in Activision Blizzard. The price dropped to a point where I felt that if I held it long enough, Blizzard will have a period of comeback. They will increase over time just because Blizzard is a very reputable gaming company that produces quality games, and because they produce quality game, it does take time for them to recuperate. I'm not concerned about the fact that their stocks have dropped significantly. I feel like over time they are going to rebound and get over the hurdle that they're currently in. Stitch Fix, I am also a believer of this company. I'm just waiting for the price to go up again. I bought 70 share, an average price point of $31.05. The current price right now is $28.36. It is going to take some time, but I know that eventually it'll go back up. I'm not too concerned about my investment in Stitch Fix. Other than that, I haven't made much changes to my long-term growth stock. In fact, I'm planning on adding more over time. So stay tuned for that. Going into my short-term growth stock, I have none, but I'm planning to buy shares in Tesla. So wait for that video to come up. The current price for Tesla, the last time I checked, was $278 or $76 per share. I'll wait until it goes down to maybe $265 before I buy into it. My Canadian stock, I'm actually doing extremely well. If you look up, you'll notice that I am up 5.21% or about $1,153.10. I have a total investment of $23,000 invested in Canadian dividend stocks. And as you can see, I am doing well in all the stocks that I purchased. And they're pretty much the same stocks that I bought previously and in the previous video. And then finally, I also have a USD dividend stock portfolio where I am up of about 5.43% or about $188.90. And I only have two stocks at the moment, IBM and AT&T. All right, that concludes my video. Talk to you guys later. Cheers.